Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Acrobat for signing insurance documents securely, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Acrobat website. If you don't already have Adobe Acrobat installed, download and install it from the official website. Once installed, locate the Adobe Acrobat icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the Adobe Acrobat icon to open the application. The first time you open Adobe Acrobat, you may be prompted to sign in or create an Adobe ID. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you do not have an Adobe ID, select the option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. After signing in, click on the Tools tab at the top of the window. Scroll down until you see the Fill and Sign tool. Click on Fill and Sign to open the signing options. To sign an insurance document, click on Select a File. Locate the document you wish to sign on your computer. Once selected, click Open to upload the document into Adobe Acrobat. After the document loads, look for the sign icon on the toolbar. Click on the sign icon. Select Add Signature from the drop-down menu. You will see options to type, draw, or upload a signature. Choose the method that suits you best. If you select Type, enter your name and choose a font style. If you choose Draw, use your mouse or touchscreen to create your signature. Once satisfied with your signature, click Apply. Position your signature on the document by clicking the desired location. Resize your signature if necessary. After placing your signature, you may need to fill in additional fields. Use the tools in the right sidebar for text boxes and checkmarks if required. Once you have completed the document, click on Save or Download to store. Choose a location on your computer to save the file. If you want to send the document via email, click on Share and select your emailing option. Your signed insurance document is now ready to be shared securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.